Hey guys, today I'm gonna try to make some body paint you can use some to Halloween parties, Christmas, or maybe some kind of costume parties on, and any kind of occasion you wanted to use. And here we got some. I have here a mix up. I'm putting some water teaspoon of this kind of Fortaleza MD Total Solution Perfecting Cream. You read this? It is some kind of lotion I want to use. Or you can use a regular lotion and then put in some powder, any kind of powder you want to use, but it is for the face, powder for the face, or put it on there and have some lotion over there and mix it up and have store it for about this. And you can also put in some kind of painting colors, but it is not stick onto your skin because it is with the chemical of the lotion. Oh, let's get starting to make it. So I'm gonna mix this up to make it smooth using my stick. Letting it smooth now. Gotta take it. And then I have here my Tupperware and I store this kind of lotion. This is a lotion with the powder on, and then I put some kind of coloring on it. Not a food coloring one. I said it, but it is not one. Okay, sorry for that. And then I put the top off with a cream lotion for your body, and then I'm gonna using this for some kind of some kind of extra. I don't want to say anything. I'm going to put 2 of this. Start. See? I'm gonna put the other one. Maybe 4 of this. Or all. I'm gonna put all of this now. So I'm gonna mix this up. I'm going to mix this now very gently and very slowly. And then I'm going to have it with some cooling pills or spirit for your face on. This is spray, not really spray of that. And then I'm gonna add some powder. Maybe just a little bit off. And mix it up. And I'm gonna add some white paint coloring. This is hard to press. This color is lemon yellow. My nails going crackle. We're going to mix it up. That transforming to yellow. I try all the color, but the blue colored the blue colored is so nice. So I colored it blue. So I put it on to make it look like avatar. That's what I plan. This is my blue button pen. I'm gonna put it onto a purple nice packaging. I'm putting it right over here. Here we got. Going to cover it. And top. Here you got your blue bottom pen on. Ready to deliver. That's all.